Monaco is synonymous with opulence, wealth and extravagance. Tourism is mostly targeted toward a wealthy clientele, which the city provides to with its luxury hotels, without forgetting its other attractions, which include a relatively warm temperature and a princely family who is frequently in the public eye. Despite its independence from France, Monaco's laws and defense are closely linked with those of France. There is no income tax for people, and there are more police officers per square meter than in any other country in the world to maintain control and unusually low crime rate. Monaco generates much of its money as a tax haven for the wealthy as well as from tourism. Monaco, despite its modest size, has a lot to offer in terms of museums and attractions. It is also very hilly, which makes it slow to explore. It is easy to visit for a day and see only the highlights, or to spend a few days here and truly explore. Walking is by far the best way to get around Monaco. However, there are some areas, such as the exotic gardens, that require a large change in elevation and therefore make for rather strenuous hikes. There are also 7 public escalators and elevators, all free. The lifts are shown on tourist maps of Monaco and will save your legs from endless long flights of steep stairs. If you find yourself afoot and wanting to reach the opposite bank of Port Hercule, look for the small pedestrian, only ferry that runs each 20 minutes or so during daylight. It costs only €1. The Principality of Monaco offers a great balance of historical and modern attractions. There are various museums and palaces to visit as well as shopping malls and casinos. Monaco also offers relaxation spots along the harbor and even around the attractions. It is relatively easy to navigate Monte Carlo and Monaco if you take the time to learn where the various shortcuts are. City maps are generally available at most news vendor stands and shops for a small fee. If your wallet permits it, try your luck in the Grand Casino and gamble alongside the world's richest and often most famous. You'll need your passport to enter, as Monegasque citizens are prohibited from gambling at the casino, and the fees for entry range enormously depending on what room you're going to, often from €40 right up into the hundreds. You can also visit the casino without gambling, but also for a nominal fee. The dress code inside is extremely strict. Men are required to wear coats and ties, and casual or tennis shoes are forbidden. The gaming rooms themselves are spectacular, with stained glass, paintings and sculptures everywhere. There are 2 other more Americanized casinos in Monte Carlo. Neither of these has an admission fee, and the dress code is more casual. Monaco streets host the best-known Formula One Grand Prix. It is also one of Europe's premier social highlights of the year. The Automobile Club of Monaco organizes this spectacular Formula One race each year. The Grand Prix is 78 laps around 3.34 kilometers of Monte Carlo's most narrow and twisted streets. The main attraction of the Monaco Grand Prix is the proximity of the speeding Formula One cars to the race spectators. There are a huge variety of other restaurants and cafes in the city with a moderate price tag and excellent food. There are a few simple cafes along the marina side, more like beach bars than anything else, that serve simple meals such as pizza, salads and hot dogs throughout the day. These can be excellent for simply sitting back during the hot midday with a cold beer or glass of wine, a snack to recharge your batteries from exploring the city, and the gentle lapping of the Mediterranean and often the roar of supercars in your ears. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.